I am about weed names. Weed names, they just make them up anyways. You dig? This that shit that Six Bows would like. I'll say that before I hit it. Like this got some of them lemon terps to it. Shouts out to that lemon heads. I had that purple lemon heads though. That shit was fire. But yeah, tent one's definitely looking good. Now, like I said the other day when we did our water, we did hit everything with CalMag, and with the exception of the green room, everything is looking good except for the plants we did in the green room because we swapped out their full fucking tanks of water, which be the only problem when you're doing that type of shit. If the water don't look bad, just leave it alone because the plants have already gotten used to running with the water that they in, and they have enough water in them to last a while. So let the plants vibe if they vibing. If you see problems, address it. You dig? What do they tell you? Keep it simple. Sometimes less is more. With these crack key grow styles, that's what I'm talking about. See, because you see this little one. This one's been in there since that back row that I was telling y'all about in the green room had started, and it's already done got this big, and it's already flipped into flowering, which is good because y'all know I need another harvest ASAP. What did I say? I'll probably be out of weed in a couple of days. Well, I won't be making it until this, so I got something else to smoke, but that's just the one that I said I was running out of. Hell, y'all know we got a re-up somewhere in here. I ain't gotta show you. I ain't gotta show you the Kieran buckets that I ain't even checked since the last time I did harvest. Yeah, shouts out to the Kieran buckets. Y'all know we got a variety. Hell, I ain't gonna say too much. I'ma just keep it moving. Let y'all doubt me. Till you come by, see I'm a hustler because you forgot to ask about me. Hell, yeah, that boy got bars. We know. We ain't rappers, but we out here doing our thing. This is tent too. Shouts out to the Vivo son, however you want to say it. You can either say it regular or you can say it with the motherfucking accent. You dig? You put that accent in there though. Shouts out to Tent 2. Like I said, once again, we only added CalMag to the water that was in there because it didn't look like anything bad was going on in the water zone. So we just added CalMag because this one right here, you right here, was looking a little yellow last week. Now you're looking hella green. You see what I'm saying? That motherfucker was looking suspect last week. You the whole reason why I was like, okay, it's time to worry about some CalMag. Because everything only had water in the bucket up until that point. Because, like we are taught, seeds from germination have everything they need besides the light and water. They don't need food in the water, it just needs the water to actually facilitate its fucking, transfer process. It's gonna be moving itself around and getting big and developing and shit. It only needs water and light to do that. So you ain't got to worry about food. Just give it straight up water. Hit them with the water, boy. Hey, that's some high quality H2O. God damn it, Bobby. But hell, these are all the double grapes. Shouts out to Bear Miller. Shouts out to the big homie. Y'all know we got that son of Odin Seed Company auto army that he was rolling out in 2024. I believe he got started doing autos in 2023, or was it 2022? But I know, hell, this was the collection he sent me for 2024. You dig? So you know why he sent them to me, because, we keep them planties wet. We keep them wet. They might fuck up. Hell, look at the cloner. The cloner ain't happy at all. Cloner looking at me like it's kind of mad. Like, man, this is not our vibe, which that's only probably because they want some more humidity. But let's look at the good news, which would be that they have started to get roots. Yeah, they've mostly started to get roots. That one over here in the left corner on my side, this is my left hand right here. Yeah, that one's dead, so it's the one that didn't make it. But most of the rest are showing signs of rooting. Maybe that one in the back might not make it, but hell, that's 2 out of 12. That's still 10 ready to go. So I'll have to get them looking better and acclimated to stay in there for a little bit longer. But hell, they'll be happy. They might have to go back into the green room since the humidity in there is a little bit higher, and it'll probably be more suitable to their liking. But these autos, on the other hand, they're liking it. They're loving it. They said, we motherfucking give me motherfucking the McChicken plain